Hello, everyone. Hope you're well. I'm recording this check-in one day early due to the fact that I'll be out of town tomorrow. So I wanted to provide you the opportunity to have one day extra to jump into Chapter 5, Week 6, where we talk a lot about practicing medicine, legal risks associated with that, and some interesting facets related to healthcare. So you have a lecture question that's, of course, due Thursday at midnight for your initial post, and your replies due Sunday by midnight. And then you also have your Chapter 5 review question. So a lot of great information in this chapter. And I think that you're going to find a lot of awesome information that results in that will help you in the future protect yourself in healthcare situations that can be challenging. I did record the legal risks of practicing medicine on YouTube. However, for some reason, I couldn't upload it as a YouTube MASH video like the one above. I'll try to do that in the future so it's a little bit easier, but you just have to click on this link here for it to pull up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, we have our lecture review question that's due, and then also our review questions. But make sure you finish the prior week's information by this Sunday. So this stuff is not due until next week. So by next week, I mean until October 9th. So you have a while. So moving forward, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much for all your work. Appreciate your efforts.